In this video, we're going to go through some of the connection types you can use in MyQuickCloud to access your host computer. Your host computer is the computer with the programs on it that you want to access remotely. So we've come to app.myquickcloud.com and we're going to log in here. Now, here is the main menu. What we're going to do is we're going to go to Computers, and you can see here, this is the computer I want to access. It's the one that's online. And if I click on that computer, we can see here is how you can set up the various options for your host computer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this option here, who has access to this computer. Now you can see I have one user here, Jane Doe, and we're going to click that user. And what you can see here are the various different options for how to connect to MyQuickCloud, how to access your computer via MyQuickCloud. So you've got here My Workspace. This is the default that we usually apply to every user. It creates a new user on the host computer so you can access your programs remotely without disturbing existing users. So if you don't usually log into that computer, or you're providing access to someone who doesn't usually access that computer, they don't already have a login, you just need to be able to access the computer, the programs on it, and any of the files that you share. So what that does, that will log you into the host computer with your MyQuickCloud login, and you can work from there. Alternatively, or in addition to, you can choose My Desktop. This allows you to log into an existing Windows user on the host computer as if you were sitting in front of it, taking over the environment and keeping your existing documents. So let's say you want to access your computer that's in the office, you want to access it from home, you already have a login to that computer and you have your documents and your desktop and everything already set up. My Desktop allows you to log into that user, your existing user. The third option, you've got My Screen. What My Screen does is allows you to see the host computer as if you were sat in front of it. So think of it as a good way to assist somebody that is sat on the host computer. You need to log in, see their screen, move the mouse around and help them out. So that's My Screen. Finally, single applications. What you can do, rather than giving someone access to My Workspace to allow them to have their own environment to work from on your host computer, you can add individual applications. So here, let's say I want to give them access to Paint, just as an example. Type in Paint, click Add, and you can see here that it's now added Paint as one of your options. So you can choose whether or not to add that application. So if we click Update, you can see now we have lots of different icons where previously we just had the one. So if we click Close, come back to that main menu, go to Connect, you can see all the different options are all here and available to you. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to contact us. You can see at the top right here, there's a little chat icon. If you click that, you can open an online chat and speak to one of our technicians.